Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Wow. See your faces in the morning. Pleasant faces. Smiling faces. Come on, smile. Hamdan. Ibrahim. Guys, I want to see your faces. Turn on your videos. Joeria. Yes. Smile. It's a good morning. Hamdan's screen is so. Oh. Wow, he has a virtual background. Guys, I think I can also create a virtual background. You know, I've learned this. See, I'll also create a virtual background. How is this one? Or should we have some greenery? Yay. It's nice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll put this. Let everybody come. Who is this little girl sitting here? What's your name? Right Golden Sparrow?
She's Aisha Kazi.
Can you say loudly?
Ma'am, I'm Aisha.
Aisha? Full?
Ma'am, she's Aisha Kazi. Actually, she's the host of
Okay,
Right.
why is she host? I need to become the host.
She's
Why are you the host?
Ma'am, she always be the host because she records the meetings and then uploads it on YouTube.
Okay. So, okay. Who else is here? Who are we waiting for? Who are we waiting for? Tell me. So we all have virtual background today. Everybody gets virtual backgrounds today. I'm allowing everybody to have virtual backgrounds, whatsoever they want.
my virtual background is like very blurred. Then you can't see my face.
We need a solid virtual background so that you can see our face. Like jewelry,
Yeah.
like
No,
that.
Juveria, not nothing like that. I want to see your face, like you can see mine, right? And
Ma'am,
Aisha
like
Kazi's also. It's like
that
we can see
solid
her.
one is very premium. So in only few mobile
Oh,
phones and
no,
computers.
doesn't matter. Let's have the few ones only. Okay. कौन आया
No,
कौन
it
कौन
must
आया
be her green screen.
Munib is here.
Her virtual
Hamdan.
background must be set on green screen.
Aisha Kazi is here. Okay. And who else do we have? Rushta, I want all your screens on. Mohammed, Aisha, Amina, screens on, videos on. Want to see your faces, smiling faces, first thing in the morning, and then we'll start the class. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Aisha, hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Smile. Good. Mohammed, Hamdan, Amina, Abdullah, smile. Good. Oh, that was a fake smile, Abdullah. Munib. Okay, so is everybody here? Who are we waiting for? Who's left? Tell me.
Ma'am, Yahya is left.
Anas,
Okay.
Yahya, and
Okay. Let's wait for them.
And Humaira Didi also.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, she joined.
Okay. Humaira is here. Mohammed Juwairaj. Okay. And Anas has also come. Just a minute. Give me a second. So, everybody's here? Yeah? Is everybody here?
Yes.
Who's left? Everybody's here. Right? So, in last class, what did we do? Come on, who wants to tell me? Come on. Anyone? Come on, come on. Are you guys sleeping? We need to get up.
I'm Camel. No, positive
What Cam-
thinking.
What?
Um,
You forgot it? New Year came and you forgot the class? Guys, what is this? Come on, tell me. We did more than the camel. In fact, you remember Daud sir showing you videos of something? Come on.
you told the story of that tortoise and elephant.
Yes. What was it called?
I don't know. Ma'am, Owen.
Who? The tortoise?
The
Or the
hippopotamus.
Ma'am, the
hippopotamus name was Owen.
and what was the name of the hippo and what was the story? Come on. Aisha, Munib, come on. Muhammad, Abdullah, are you sleeping? Get up. Rushda. Chalo, jaldi batao.
Ma'am, there was this elephant, there was this hippo, and he had lost his mother somehow. So he saw this tortoise, and then they became good friends, and then they traveled together everywhere, wherever they went.
Okay, he remembers thoda thoda. Anybody wants to add to the story? He's not told me the exact story. He's just told me a little points about it, right? It's not the correct story, but at least Munib remembers something. Who else remembers? Who else wants to add on? Come on.
Ma'am,
Can I say?
Okay, Maha, let this Daud say first. Yeah. Abdullah, let Abdullah say first. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. The hippopotamus lost his parents, so the animal keeper or some people, they took the hippopotamus to somewhere in their like where they used to take care of them, and there was this tortoise. So he wanted to become a friend of the tortoise. The tortoise was very old. He was something like 130 years old, but the tortoise denied, and then but after that they became friends, and they made their own language also by their movements, and they used to talk like that.
Okay, okay. Very nice, Abdullah. Anybody else wants to add up?
Ma'am, me.
Who? Aya? Hi, Aya.
Yes.
Yes, tell me. Good morning.
Good morning. Ma'am, in a tsunami, the hippopotamus, because of the tsunami, the hippopotamus parents were died during the tsunami. So the animal care took him to where they take care. So he met one old tortoise. It was 108 or 20 years old. He knew all the places. So then he took all of the and tell him with the movements and they become friends.
And can anybody tell me where the hippo was from? Which floods came? There was not actually tsunami, there were floods. Africa, which place in Africa? Country?
Cameroon.
Come on, I know you remember. Rushda, what is your
Give
place?
a hint, ma'am. Ma'am, give a hint.
A hint, I'll tell you the name only, then why will I give a hint?
Ma'am, Cameroon.
Yes. Tell me, Aya.
Cameroon.
It was Kenyan floods. Right? So, and tell me, what is it called? What was this friendship called? It was called an unlike friendship because it doesn't happen that way, right? They're two different animals from two different, they're completely opposite. So it's an unlike friendship. It doesn't happen that way, right? But it did happen.
Yeah.
This is what was the positive thing, and how we saw a very nice relationship between two animals, where we humans who can communicate, who can talk, still have problems with somebody, or we don't talk to somebody, but still these animals who cannot talk develop so much love for each other, so much compassion for each other, right? So this is what we learned from the story. Okay, anybody wants to add up what they learned from the story? Any positive thoughts, guys? Come on. Anybody? Why is it so silent today? The class is very silent today. Where are my kids? Anas, where are you? Amina, Aisha, what's wrong? Nobody's speaking. Hamdan, Humaira, Jueria, come on. Umar. Speak, Umar. Anas, I want you to guys to tell me what we did in the last class, what you learned from the story. Aisha, come on. Hamza, bolo. Say, speak. Nobody's going to speak. What's wrong? Kya? Why is the class so silent? You don't remember? Okay, yes, tell me, Umar.
You told us a story about the hippopotamus and the tortoise.
Okay. So now that story I told you, now I want to tell you another story where I add up one more animal to it. Okay. So which animal would you like me to add? I'll tell you the animal's features and you need to tell me which animal it is. Okay. It's a huge animal, big animal, and
Elephant.
people ride on it. Who?
Elephant.
Yes. So now today I'll tell the story. So there was an elephant, there was this hippopotamus and the tortoise. So they were once very great friends. What were they? They were great friends. But one day, when the tortoise was walking near a river with the elephant, he saw a chance to cleverly outwit his big friend. He saw a clever chance that this friend of mine, I need to outwit him. Because he tries to act very smart with me.
What did you say? Out what?
Outwit.
What does
Try
that
to
mean?
play a prank with him. Okay. In a friendship, he's like this. He's so big and all. So it's an unlike friendship here also, that the tortoise and the elephant are going somewhere. Elephant is a huge animal. Tortoise is a very small animal, right? So it's a very unlikely friendship here. So he thought to play a prank with him, right? So he told his friend elephant that many times bigger as he was, he would nevertheless pull him into the water. He said that you're too big, but still I'll pull you into the water. What did he say?
You are too big, I'll still pull you in the water.
So now the elephant was like, he's laughed. There was a sarcastic laugh, like, oh my God, you can't do this. You're just saying it like because you just have to say it. So the amused this amused elephant greatly, and with sarcastic laughter, he told the tortoise that the suggestion was ridiculous. Okay. Nevertheless, the little turtle, even more determined to put into motion his plan, urged him to let him try. And when the elephant mockingly consented, he fastened a rope around his body and ordered him to remain where he was until he pulled him. After which he walked with the other And now what he did, I'll tell you. So he said, okay, you're taking me it as a joke, but I can pull you into the river. You give me a chance at least. The elephant said, okay, come on, try, let's try. So he said, you stay here, face your you have to face towards opposite of the river, and I'm binding you to a rope and I'm taking it into the river. Right? What he did, he he tied a rope around the elephant's waist and took the rope to the river. Right? Getting the point? Now what he did, he took the rope to the other side of the river. Then he told Hippopotamus, who was on the other side of the river, that I. So who's getting the point? Who's understanding the story?
Ma'am,
What do you have?
It was a very long rope, and then only tortoise was not pushing. Hippopotamus will also pull the rope now.
Okay, so what he told there, he told his friend Hippopotamus that though he was times larger, he could pull him out of the water. He told the same thing to the hippo there. So he made fool of the elephant as well as the hippo by telling them that I can pull you out of the water. And he tied both of them together. What did he do? He tied both of them together. And then what happened? Tell me what would happen.
Ma'am, they both are the same rope, and then they both will pull, and then they both will go into the water.
Okay, the elephant, feeling the strain on the rope, resisted it as hard as he could, and thus the two was furiously pull as longer as they can. Then what would have happened? What would have happened?
Ma'am, the turtle would have left them and they would have pulled themselves out of the water.
No, turtle was laughing and seeing them pull each other, and nobody was able to do anything. Right? So this was a funny incident. Turtle did. What?
The elephant would win.
ma'am, the elephant was small or big? It's a
Elephant
baby.
was elephant. How can the no, it was a big elephant. It was not a baby elephant. So it was big, okay? And then there was hippo also. Hippo was also big. Now, eventually what happened that this elephant now thought, why is this tortoise being so heavy that he's able to pull me? What? So he turned around and went to see what is the tortoise doing. And when they went, the same hippo did. So they came each other like, oh my God, what is this? You were pulling me? And hippo was like, oh God, you are pulling me? Where is the tortoise? And the tortoise was laughing, sitting there, made them a fool, right? So he played with his friends. Now, who got the story and who's going to tell the story quickly to me in his own words? Come on. Come on. Why is the class so silent today, Anas? What is wrong? Why is your face like that? Are you sad? Anas?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
I
I
want
was-
energy. Come on, tell me. Aisha,
I was-
Kazi, Aisha, Yaya, Hamza. Oh, Amina will tell me today. Come on, tell me the story. Amina, come on.
There was a turtle, and he asked the elephant in the forest that you can stay in the water and I can pull you out of the water. And then the elephant was laughing and telling him that how can you do that? You are so tiny and I am so large, and how will you be able to pull me out of the water? And then turtle said, you see, I will try and do it, and I will do it. And then the turtle.
Your microphone.
And then he also told the hippopotamus the same thing, that I can pull you out of the water. And then he put both of them in the water, and he tied the same rope to both of them. And then they both were thinking that he's pulling them out of the water, but they both trying to like keep themselves in the water, so they both were only pulling themselves out of the water. And then the elephant and hippo both thought that how are we getting out of the water? How is the turtle so strong? And when they went to check, then they saw that they both are only pulling themselves out of the water.
Okay. So what do we learn from this story, people? Tell me what you learned from this story. It's a you learn something from everything that I.
You don't need strength. You need to be wise.
Yes. So both of these elephant and hippo were very proud. Just a minute, I'll give you a chance. Yeah, I'll give you a chance. Just a minute. They were very proud of their physical strength, that they're very strong, they're very big, they're very hefty, and they can do this and they can do that. But the tortoise used his brains, right? So physical strength is important, but being intelligent is also important. Using your brains is also important, right? Who was speaking? Come on, say. Yeah.
Ma'am, they say no brain is stronger than arms.
Yes, but arms also need to be stronger. It's not they also need to be stronger. You can't be lanky and you can go for a world like
Ma'am, it is
by
a phrase,
chance.
ma'am. Ma'am, it is a
Yeah, I
phrase.
know it's a phrase, but both sides you need to use your brains as well. Just or depending on your physical strength is not enough. So what we learned today, that you shouldn't be proud and overconfident about anything. You should never underestimate your enemy or whosoever is giving you a challenge. Use your brains, use your physical strength both wisely, right? Anybody wants to say anything they learned? Anything else they want to add? Tell me. Come on, class. What is wrong? The class is very silent today. My kids are not silent. Add something. You want to name this story something. I want everybody to give this story a name. Anything that you feel is but very specific for this. I like this.
Ma'am, can I say
One by
the
one.
white
One by one. Let's see one
tortoise?
by one. Who's speaking first? Abraham. Okay. Say.
The wise turtle?
Okay. Anybody else?
The cleverness of the tortoise.
Okay.
Of the turtle. Can I say? Prank of the turtle. Yeah.
The prank of the turtle. Very nice. On. Come on. Anything else? Anything else?
Prankster turtle.
This is better. So I just want two words, something, 2, 3 crisp title that you want to give it. The tortoise who fooled big giants. Wow. Okay. And anybody else? No? What happened? Your new year is not, did your holidays not go fine that you don't have energy? Anybody today? You're so like.
Ma'am, did not get holiday.
You did not, but I was not, I thought you are having holidays.
Ma'am, we went for camping, ma'am.
Oh, so you did so much. What did you all do there, and what positive thought you learned from there? Everybody one by one, and I need people who are
Ma'am,
not speaking. to
Ma'am,
speak.
there was a zip line and over there, so we gave everyone chance.
Zipline,
and
you
we
did
were
zipline. I also done zipline. Very nice. Did
Yeah,
you like
and
it?
then when the small kids were there, so we were supervising the area.
Wow. So you were doing two works. You were enjoying yourself, and you were supervising also the small kids. Very
Not
nice.
me, ma'am. Not me. Not. It was Abdullah and Yahya.
Oh, my strong boys they are. Very good. Very good.
And then we
What-
a barbecue. We did a
What did you do? Barbecue. You did? Wow. So you.
chicken and Ma'am, we grilled the paneer and the chickens and roasted the pineapples.
Wow.
We even
What did you learn?
Ma'am,
We
we
made
ate the
s'mores.
s'mores. Thanks to Rushda because she and Ahmad Bhai bought the materials.
Amazing. I never
And
knew how
ma'am,
to
we were
barbecue when I
awake the
was
whole
little.
night. We were all awake for the whole night. We did not
We
sleep.
were playing and talking, ma'am, the whole night.
So what positive thought did you bring back home from this camp? Everybody. What will you share with me, one positive thought that you learned from this camp? Anything that you learned from this camp that you want to share with our class
Camp
today?
more and worry less, ma'am.
Fun, no parents.
Ma'am, never set your marshmallow on fire.
Wow.
We heard scary stories.
Okay. So I'll tell you what, when we do such things, we connect with the nature, we bring ourselves closer. I think the friendship between you guys must have become more, uh, how do I tell you? Because you are so apart. this pandemic has made you so apart that you're not able to go to school, you're not able to see each other that frequently, but suddenly you go to a camp together with everybody around you, physical presence, where you can
And for
see
one
them,
night and
laugh
2 days.
with them. Wow. So you all together seeing each other's faces live without this virtual thing, and then you played with each other, held hands, and that created a more bond. That made your bond more stronger, right? So this is how the story of the hippo and the tortoise and the elephant. So you guys are my hippo, you guys are my elephant, you guys are my tortoise. You guys went there and created your friendship bond. You made that friendship bond more stronger with this camp, right? So this is one thought, that your bond became more what? Come on, give it a name. Anybody?
Meeting friends after a
And
long
the
time.
bond increased
It became stronger. You
and
guys became
wider.
happier. You were happy to see each other. There was smile. There was a very happy feeling that I'm going to see Munib. I'm going to see Abdullah. I'm going to
Ma'am,
tell him I
at the
did this.
night
I played
time,
football.
ma'am, at the
Yes.
night time when when someone like Munib bhai wanted to go to the washroom, so ma'am said that you should not go alone. So we were making groups and then going because it was the night time.
Very nice. So you also learned skills of a team there. How to stay
Teamwork.
together. How to help each other. There's
Ma'am,
teamwork,
when we
right?
were making the chicken, then me and Alfia ma'am were doing together. She was holding the stick
Wow.
and I was putting the chickens.
Okay. And what else? What else? Come on. My silent
And they
people
climbed
today.
the tree.
Hamza, Anas.
And they
Jueria,
climbed the
what's wrong?
tree
Jueria is
also.
not speaking only today.
And we climbed the tree also. There was a
You
tree.
climbed a tree also. You had that strength to climb a tree. Wow,
Ma'am,
that's
we
amazing.
did zip line also.
Rope climbing.
Yeah.
Rope climbing.
Rock climbing also
Ma'am,
you did.
Ma'am,
we
rock,
did cricket and football.
rope climbing, not rock climbing.
Okay, rope climbing, that needs a lot of strength. The hand strength and the leg strength, the arm strength.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
played football and cricket also.
Wow, amazing. Anybody wants to add up any positive thought that you took from the camp apart from friendship? Anything else you want to share?
Ma'am, we played in the lake.
Okay, so now I'll give you a task. Okay, you all have to write something. What do you have to write? About this camp, I want you to write a little the summary of what you did in the camp and what you learned from it. Okay, what you did in the camp, how was it, how was the experience, and what you learned from this camp, this little holiday or this little camping holiday of yours, what you learned. Everybody, next class, it has to be written. It has to be written in a copy and a pen, and I want photographs of it. Okay, and you have to say it.
Ma'am, how will we share the photograph to you?
You can, okay, you don't share the photograph, you
Yes,
just write it
we
up.
can read. We can read, ma'am.
Okay, you guys read it, and I want what you learned has to be clear. It can't be I no common answers, no friendship that we had a bond. What I told you, you don't have to write that. You have to write what you learned from the camp, what you did, and how was it. So you have to write this. Okay, Aisha, eating Aisha, right? Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah. What you did, what you learned.
Ma'am, how long does it have to be? How long does
What?
it have to be?
Small, it's fine. It can't be that big,
How
but
long?
whatever you did, whatever your experience was, maybe a half a page or something. Yeah.
We can write and share it in Google Classroom.
Yes. Okay. We can do that. We can next time we can meet on Google Classroom. We can write and we can share that. Yes.
Not Google Meet, Google Classroom. So they can
Google
just
Class.
write and upload. Yeah, they can just write and they can upload on Google Classroom.
Okay.
So
So
you
you
have
can
to just
write.
make an assignment on Google Classroom and they can just upload on it.
Okay. Fine. I'll do that. and I'll take a help from you, and we'll do that. And you guys, please write it down. I want it written nicely, and everybody's learned should be different. It should be unique. You don't call each other, tell you what are you writing, what you learned. No, you have to write your own, okay? And then you have to tell me, Humaira, where are you, Humaira? So silent. Both my Humairas are silent. Shazia is also silent. Shazia, Humaira, I hope it's the message is reaching to you that you need to write about your
Ma'am,
camp.
it is
and what you
Shazia,
learned from
ma'am.
the camp.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
Shazia,
it is
ma'am.
Shazia, ma'am.
Oh, okay. It is Shazia, ma'am. Sorry.
That's all right, Udra, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to tell me also. You tell me what the first story that we did about the hippopotamus and the tortoise. I want you guys to give it a name. The motherly one, the urban one. What was the unlike friendship? Also, I want you guys to tell me that any other unlike friendship that you know of. Unlike, okay? It can't be like it can't be like you and me are friends. It has to be unlike, which we don't think can happen, but it does happen. Anything. It can be from the plant kingdom, it can be from the animal kingdom, it can be from the human kingdom as well. So tell me, do you know any other unlike friendships like that?
We want to tell with our own.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
we
know
don't know, but we
lion.
can imagine and say ours.
Ma'am, I know a
Yes,
lion.
okay, so let's do imagination and let's see how our imagination goes. Okay,
Ma'am,
come
can
on,
I go
everybody.
first?
Yes, go.
Ma'am, I saw in the dream that I and Lionel Andres Messi became friends, and then I took his autograph also.
So okay, so do you think it's unlikely? Why is it unlikely?
Because ma'am, he stays like he's a professional footballer, and then ma'am, he doesn't stays in India. He's
Okay.
he's from like
So
Argentina. Yeah, he's from
So
Argentina.
because of the distance, she thought that it's unlikely to happen, but she thought it is possible, right?
He
Okay.
no ma'am, he
Anybody
ma'am.
else? Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Amina,
can
come on.
I you?
Who is it? Who is it? Name?
Aisha Kazi.
Okay, Aisha, tell me.
Ma'am, one time there was a man who was going in the jungle and he lost his way. So he met a lion and he got scared of it. But the lion came near to him and then he just directed him to sit on his back and then the lion took him to his home.
Okay. So a lion and a human friendship. Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, a lion and a deer.
Yes. This was recently in the news also that one lion is friends with an antelope. That's a deer. Okay. So
I saw a
yes.
video where there was a man and he kept like there were 5 tigers at his house and he was like having them as pets.
See? Yes. These are unlike friendships. Yes.
Ma'am, there was a man who had a white lion.
Okay. And anything else? So can there be unlikely friendship between a big fish and a small fish? The big
Ma'am,
fish
I know
eats the
one.
small fish.
Ma'am, I know one story. I was reading it to my little sister from her book.
Okay, come on, go on.
In that, it was that there was a lion and a fox or something. Fox or a wolf. A fox, and then the lion told the fox to because the fox was lion's slave, like he used to serve the lion. So the fox brought him some food. The fox brought him a donkey to eat. So then the fox was very smart. So he ate, and the lion's favorite part of the animal was the brain. So fox ate the brain, and then when the lion came, the and then when the lion came, he went to eat the brain, but there was no brain. So the fox told that there is no brain in a donkey. So the lion believed him. But then one time same thing happened, and it was a lamb. It was a lamb. So the lion became angry. Then the lion ordered him again to bring him some food. So came to the deer, and he told the deer, and then he set a trap for the deer. So the deer, and he told that the king of the jungle wants to meet you. He wants to make you one of his friends. So the deer was very happy and going. So he so he fell into so he fell into that trap, and there was a pit. So he fell into that pit, and then the fox again was ate his brain, and then the lion was standing behind, and then one time he again did that. So again one deer was there, but one fox was tricked by the lion, and the fox and then the lion ate the fox.
Okay. So what
And he
Abdullah?
became friend with and he
Ma'am, I
became friend
have one
with deer.
story, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next class I'll hear
I also
everybody's
have it.
story. Everybody
Ma'am,
needs to
it is
get
very
one.
short, ma'am. It is very short.
But let us complete Abdullah's story, what we learned from him. Abdullah, tell us what we learned from this story.
And
Abdullah, yeah.
ma'am, we should if
Man,
we
he
serve
showed
someone,
his
we
loyalty.
should do honestly.
Abdullah, what? Can you repeat?
He showed his
And
loyalty.
if we serve someone, we should do that work honestly.
Okay, okay. This is very nice that we should be honest with our friends. We should not lie to them or trick or betray them. Tricking, playing around is fine, but not betray, not lie, not take advantage of our friends. Very nice story. Very nice, Abdullah. Okay, next class, I want everybody to prepare one story also. I'll hear everybody's story. Promise, next class, guys. We are running out of time here. Yeah? Next class, I
Okay,
hear
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
everybody's story. Okay, if your story is small, you can share. It's very small, quick. Come on.
Ma'am,
It's just a fact.
Tell me a fact.
There is a bird, I don't know its name, and there is a crocodile or an alligator. It opens its mouth, and the bird goes inside the crocodile's mouth, and it cleans the crocodile's teeth, and the crocodile does not eat the bird.
Wow! So there's the friendship between very nice friendship. This is a very unlikely friendship between a bird and a crocodile. It goes
ma'am,
inside its
actually,
teeth.
they are depend on each other because in the
Okay.
crocodile mouth there's the trash or the small bits. So bird gets and picks out the stones and the trash from it, and then it eats it. So it's an independent, like
Dependent,
they
symbiotic
are
relationship
independent.
where each of them are benefited.
Ma'am,
Okay.
there is one more. There is a clownfish and anemones. Anemones are plants that, ma'am, whichever fishes come in that plant or touch it, so it gets sticks and the anemones eat it. But the clownfish is not. The clownfish and the anemones are very nice. So the clownfish can go in the anemones and then return back also, because they are very.
Okay, so next class, I want more stories from you guys, such things that we're learning here. We're learning symbiotic relationship also here, how they're dependent with each other. Anything you guys think like this, anything you figure out, oh, this was this when you're saying in the class, oh, I also know something. So you just write it down, and in the next class, you discuss it with me, share it with me. I also want to know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Everybody, your homeworks are there. Be
Bye.
on time. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Keep smiling. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.